Hey guys, this is Abhishek and welcome to my channel, The Open Code. Today I'm going to start a new topic and we are going to learn about MySQL. This is the first video in the series, and in this video I'm going to talk about what is MySQL and how to get started, from where to download MySQL and how to install the software on MacBook. And finally, we will check if the installation happened properly or not by using MySQL on terminal. Let's get started. So what is MySQL? MySQL is one of the most famous databases in the world. The reason it's famous is because it's open source relational database management system. It comes with both free version as well as proprietary license version. However, for this video purpose, we will be using free version of the software. Believe me, most of the people as well as big companies use MySQL free and open source software to develop their products. MySQL was created by a Swedish company, MySQL AB, in 1995, which was then bought by Sun Microsystems. In 2010, Oracle Corporation acquired Sun Microsystems, and you can say that now today MySQL is owned by Oracle Corporation. Okay guys, the next step is to install the MySQL software. For that, go to google.com using your favorite browser and look for MySQL. Most probably the first link you will get is of MySQL. Click on that. The page you will see now is the official website of mysql.com. MySQL have a huge customer base. Few of them are listed here on their official website. Now let's go to the download link to download the software. Click on it and then you will find that the community version of the software is in the last link. Click on that. Now you will see all the community edition softwares available from mysql.com. Here you have to choose the first one, which is MySQL Community Server. Click on download. Now the system auto detects what operating system you are using. For me it's Mac OS. Now click on DMG archive download button. Another website will open where it will ask you to log in, but I would say skip this step. Click on no thanks. And you will see that download starts. Once the download is completed, you can go to your download folder and click on the DMG file. Once you double click the file, you will see that a pop-up will come. You have to again double click this file. Now you will see that a MySQL wizard will come. So you need to click on continue and agree to all the default installation steps. It may ask your system password, so if it pops, please enter your system password and then just follow the steps. This wizard will install all the necessary files into your operating system. Now next step is to choose the password encryption type. So choose the legacy password encryption and type the root user password. Click on finish, and if it pops up, give your system password as well. If everything is properly done, you will see that the database is installed properly. Now to double check if the database is installed properly or not, you can go to System Preferences and see that if you were able to see your MySQL tab there, that means the database is installed properly. You will also see an uninstall option if you wish to uninstall the software. Now let's check in terminal if you are able to access the database in terminal or not. For that, you have to type a SQL command, MySQL -u root -p. It will ask you to enter the root password, so please enter the password. If everything is fine, then you will see a MySQL prompt. Hey guys, we were able to successfully download the community version of the MySQL software, and we tested the installation by going to System Preferences as well as Terminal, and it was working fine. Please let me know if you have any issues downloading the software in the comment section. Okay, we have reached end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please hit subscribe if you really do. To my Windows user friends, if you want me to repeat the mentioned steps on Windows machine, I would happy to do so. Please leave a comment below. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Take care.